Hello viewers, today in this video I want to share some exciting news about the iPad Air 5th generation. I recently have used this tablet with its immersive 10.9 inches liquid retina display. The visuals are stunning, perfect for both work and play. The Apple M1 chipset inside it ensures blazing fast performance, making the iPad Air a true powerhouse for creativity and mobile gaming. One of the highlighting features I appreciate most is the Touch ID, which adds convenience and security. The advanced cameras capture sharp images, and the blazing fast wireless and USB-C connectivity, staying connected and transferring files is seamless. Moreover, the support for Magic Keyboard and Apple Pencil second generation enhances productivity and creativity to a new levels. Now talking about the display quality of iPad Air 5th generation, the display is awesome. You can enjoy your multimedia content on this tablet. Also the stereo speakers will give you a immersive feeling. You can enjoy your content on YouTube, Netflix, Amazon Prime and many other OTT platforms. A lot of users actually want to buy this tablet during Big Billion Days sale that will be coming in the month of September last or October 1st, 2024. Currently, if you buy this tablet, you have to pay around 46,000 rupees after cashback and offers at a retail seller offline market. But if you want to buy this tablet in Big Billion Days sale, you can buy this tablet well under 40,000 rupees. And if you get this tablet under 40,000 rupees, this will be a great buy for you, because you are getting M1 chipset along with this tablet, so that will be a great offer. But one thing is very annoying is the storage. Apple should have provided at least 128 GB of internal storage. In 2024, 64 GB is not a good option for you. Moreover, the apps on iOS is very large. So if you use too many apps on your tablet, it might be a problem for you to have the base variant, that is 64 GB version. And if you want to buy the 256 GB version, then you have to spend another 10,000 rupees. That is very costly. So if you are waiting for the Big Billion Days sale and if you want to know about the best offers on Amazon and Flipkart, you can subscribe this channel. I will let you know when offers are available. Hope this video has helped you to buy the best tablet for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.